So I gotta say, I did something special for my Lexus NX350. So my NX350H got new shoes. Oh, the right word to say is it got new tires. Okay, these are brand new tires. Yes, my run flat tires are gone, so you don't have to stick with the run flat tires that Lexus puts on your vehicle. And before you get tires, it's always good to confirm that you really need tires. And you can look at the wear bar, or you can measure it yourself, or you can have the dealer double check your measurement, or whatever, right? It's about time, right? And my tires are pretty much not wearing out as evenly as I thought. Please remember hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos. And if you like my video to the end and it helped you in any way, please help me out with a thumbs up. Okay, so it's about time. So I have run flat tires on my Lexus NX, and I wouldn't say I really like them that much. I wouldn't want to change them out and waste money, so I waited near the end. Yes, so I waited till it's about time. 430 seconds, yeah, and the tires are not all 430 seconds. One of them is actually like a 530 seconds or something like that. And But these tires are great. Treadwear 640, traction B, temperature A. And really nice, beefy tires. Looks like it's more like snow tires in a way. Initially, I didn't have it wasn't on my top list. Let's put it that way, right? Because he looks weird, right? I have to show you that. That's why I'm making this video. These tires are weird, okay? And they look weird, but they drive great. I mean, that's the thing. And why would I pass up a good deal and a tire that it seems to drive great, last long, and it's also very price affordable for me, right? And I don't have to pay a whole lot. There's not much road noise in these tires so far. When I'm driving it, of course, they're brand new. Maybe when it gets older, things will change, right? But been great on these tires. There's actually a CrossClimate 3, CC3. It's also get improved handling. You get better on snow traction, but it's not everywhere and it's not all available. I want to mention that. So if you really wanted the CrossClimate 3 and you don't need tires yet, maybe you want to wait for it and it'll come. It's better on the snow, 3 to 4% according to ChatGPT, right? And I'm just gonna flow these numbers in here. Treadwear life, so see 15% longer on a CrossClimate 3. So these are my CrossClimate 2. I'm gonna be happy with it. I tried to wait for the CC3, but it never came in time. So technology-wise, the CC3, the thermal adaptive thread, plus improved contact patch. All right. So availability for CC3 is not out there that much, and it's gonna be more expensive. So CC2 these are CC2, limited. You don't get the new features and performance, but you're gonna be less expensive, and it's proven reliable. You're not taking a big risk with these tires, and a lot of people are buying these as well too. So another walk around on my vehicle here, and the other thing I want to mention is these tires. Looks a little bit different, but they're actually on a lot of sedans and vans and other vehicles as well too. Look at the grooves; they're so deep. Looks like you're just riding on the tread. That's what it looks like. But actually, it works great in the snow. A lot of people contest to that. Okay, so these tires, Tire Rack is one of the sites that really have good information. I just want to float out there, and not endorsed by Tire Rack or get any payment from them. Of course, maybe they should pay me, but hey, that's a different story altogether. And the average price is about $320. So if you can find a better deal, definitely jump on it. And so there's 18-inch, 20-inch. So you have an NX350, 350h, different trim, premium trim, or you get the luxury trim. Luxury trim usually is the 20-inch, and the ratings are really good overall. I mean, these are for wet traction 9.4, dry 9.4, winter 8.8. 8.9 for comfort. That's by noise and vibration. 9.1 for the treadwear. So that kind of won me over. Initially, I wasn't thinking the Michelin CrossClimate2 would be the one I want to get. But you gotta look at the whole picture and be unbiased about what your picks are. And you can read this review here as well too. In short, people love the tires in wet traction, winter traction, dry traction, wide quality, and treadwear as well too. And something that will last long. I mean, this one has 60,000 expected miles on this, right? Of course, I'm going to rotate the tires, and that's important, right? You want a tire that lasts and it's affordable. Now, the second one to look at is American Tire. American Tire is a really good resource as well too, and you can see the different ratings, how many people read the reviews and put in the ratings. And the information is these tires are all season, 60,000 mile warranty, 3-peak Mountain Snowflake. That means it's really good in the winter as well. And I don't know, really replace the snow tire. Put a comment. You share the details in that. And also, I got some specs over here on the 20-inch tire. So, you know, you can read it here if you like. And if you have the 18-inch, that's fine. You look at the 18-inch one. So if you use these tires or have these tires, put a comment below. I'm not sure how good of a mileage you're going to gain on a hybrid with these tires. You know, of course, new tire, usually your MPG may go down a little bit and take some time to recover, I guess. One other thing I suggest, if you get new tires, besides looking at the price, another one I want to flow out is a Big Old Tire. They actually have a promotion right now in my area, and it's like $80 off instantly, $80 mail-in rebate as well too. Really good price overall, and just in time, my Lexus dealer has sent me a coupon that they have a promo on tires, and that's gonna be like a really awesome deal. Actually, a little bit better than my Big Old Tire offer as well too. So always inquire around if you're looking for tires and see what you could get for the best deal. Service American Tire is really great. I mean, I don't have any problems with American Tire. And if your tires are wearing a little bit uneven, it might be worthwhile to get a a tire alignment, wheel alignment that is. And you can see the snowflake here. I just want to show you that. That's really interesting. A lot of details. Yes, these tires are made in Mexico, so I don't know, those some of the people may not like it or like it or don't care. But that's something I want to flow in there. So I haven't driven a lot on these new tires. I just got it yesterday. I drove a little bit here and there, and only time would tell if I really like these tires. But I think I like it. So far, it's a lot more quiet than the run flat tires. And I have all 4 tires. And by the way, you have an NX, and it's all-wheel drive. You have to replace all 4 tires, not 2 tires, not 2 in the front, not 2 in the back. You could destroy your vehicle, especially different treadwear. So something to note: you must replace all 4 tires. So that's the thing about all 4-wheel drive vehicles, all-wheel drive vehicles, and stuff like that, right? And 640 for the treadwear. Traction is a B, which I'm not too happy about. The traction is a B, but I don't think it really matters that much. Michelin has a long history with me being a customer, I guess. I buy a lot of Michelins over time, and that's the Mountain Peak again. I want to mention that. And these tires actually made in 2025. I didn't get to show that date there, I guess. I didn't point it out. But mine's actually made in 2025. And so far, it's been great. I mean, I just got it for one day, and that's why I apologize I didn't get the video out in time, because I was waiting at the tire shop to get these tires. Hopefully you liked the video. If it helped you out, please help me out with thumbs up, comment, or share. Please leave it below. Please remember to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.